I tried. I like the beach. I like it. I like the waves, the birds, the freaking dolphins, the sand in my ass, the sweat, the old ladies who flirt me with. And I even like the umbrella surfer boys that give you the googly eyes. And I definitely like this umbrella close to my face and body, melting me like an ice cube left out on a Barbie. Just dripping until there's nothing left but a stain of what I used to be. A tormented, angry little man who wanted to have a good time, take his girlfriend out to the beach, get some vitamin D and enjoy some calamari and beer. But as you can see, I'm cooked. My brain has been in a toaster and there's no end inside because I'll be dead by the time the sun comes down. I'll be the latest addition to the ghost of Cape May, known as the visitor who faded into the heat and died.